Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I will show you step by step how to create a viral Instagram Reels with AI using ChatGPT and Veo3. It's fast, simple, and beginner friendly. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your ChatGPT and ask it to generate a high quality image that you want. I made that like this earlier, like this. Just match your real idea. And when the image has finished being generated, just download it. Next, still in ChatGPT, ask it to make two short scene prompts for your video, like this. And when your prompt has finished being created, just go to Flow, Google Flow. This one, just click it. And then create with Flow. Make a new project. And then on this page, change the method to frame to video, like this. And then just upload your photo that you created before. And then just copy your first scene prompt and paste it to the box like this. And choose your model. I will choose fast and I will choose one output like this. And then just generate and wait for the process. Okay, let's play the video. Okay, like that, it looks good. Next one, first scene is ready, just click add to scene. And then just click this plus button. And then choose either jump to or extend to, depending on how you want the transitions. I will choose jump to. Next, just copy again the scene prompt, second scene, and then paste it in the prompt box like this, and then just generate. Okay, let's try to play the video. Like that, the transition it looks smooth, and the whole video it looks amazing. And okay, you just made a viral ready AI Reels. Just download it, and then you can do further editing using video editing applications such as adding music or adding filters and others. And once your video is done, just post it to your Instagram. Okay, maybe that's it. A complete AI reel made with ChatGPT and VO3 in just minutes. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!